Hi, welcome to the Phys Ed Home. We are going to do an activity called soccer speed. This will help you improve on your soccer dribbling skills as well as your foot speed. Now, the equipment you need. You're going to need a basket, and if you don't have a basket, use a cardboard box. And then when you stand next to the basket, right in front of me, I have 6 sock balls. This is just a sock that I rolled up into a ball, and I have 6 of them, okay? And each sock ball is 2 feet away from each other. Now, here's how you play. You start next to the basket, and at each sock ball, you have to do 2 toe taps, lightly tapping the sock ball with your feet. Looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Once you get to the last sock ball, you have to dribble it with your feet. Nice soft taps back to the basket. Then you bring your feet together, holding the sock ball. You have to jump up and flick your feet forward to try to get it to land into the basket. Like that. Okay, then you turn and you do it again. Toe tap, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember, lightly touching the sock ball with the toes of your feet. Okay? Turn, dribble, dribble. Feet together, throw it in. Turn and do it again. Every time you get to the last sock ball, you come back. Once all the sock balls are in the basket, the challenge is over and you have 1 minute. Let's see how Coach Gelardi does.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Come on. Toe tap, toe tap. Here we go, here we go. Oh, just with a few seconds to spare. All right, that was called soccer speed, 1 minute challenge. See how you do. If you want to make the challenge a little harder, you could always put the socks further away or add more socks. If you want to make it a little less challenging, you can always take some socks away. Okay? Have fun. Try to get your best personal time. Thank you for visiting the zone, the Phys Ed Home.